Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today we are in the kitchen and my cat's rubbing up against the tripod. Okay, come on, get. Today we're in the kitchen and not because we're going to actually cook anything, because I want to make. Kate, you need to bribe him with food. Anyway, okay, as I was saying, I want to make melted crayons. So I bought a silicone mold off of Amazon, and it's a little early, I know, but Halloween is my favorite, so anywho, so I want to use these to create different kinds of crayons. So my instructions are over here. Got the instructions, so I don't burn down the house. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 230. While the oven is warming up, I'm going to be separating my crayons and figuring out which colors I want on in each thing. Okay, another thing you're going to have to do is take off the paper for some of them. Well, I mean, on all of them that you're going to use. So I don't know if I'm going to use all of these, but I don't know, now what you want to do is, when you find a color, you want to take off the paper and just break it up into smaller bits. So I think for this pumpkin, I'm going to do reds and oranges. I think that would be a really cool color to try. I think I'm going to do, I don't know, I might use the pumpkin that I'm filling up, the ghost, and the skull. Those will be the three I use just for now. I can always make more if I want, but those are going to be the ones I'm going to use for now. And I will be back when some of these are filled. Okay, so I only filled up 2 of them just because it was starting to take a little longer than I expected. So I only filled up 2 of them. I filled the skull with blue and purple and the pumpkin with orange and red. And I'm going to set this on top of a oven, like bake sheet, along with some tin foil on top, just in case it like spills over, it'll be okay. So my oven is finally ready, so I'm going to put it in the oven. Alright, and then I'm going to let them bake in there for about 10 minutes, and I will be back to check on them. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so I took them out of the oven, and the next step is to let them cool completely. Now, I'm not 100% sure how long it's going to take, so I'm pretty much gonna figure it out right now. So I will be right back when they are done cooling, and he's enjoying the warmth of the oven. So I'll be right back. Okay, so little update, they finally are done. It basically took like 20 to 25 minutes for them to fully melt. And the next thing to do is let them cool completely. They have to be completely cool, and like they feel pretty good, but the bottoms are still warm, and I want everything to be completely cool because I don't want to accidentally mess it up. So I'm definitely going to let them sit for probably maybe like another hour or something like that. Another thing to note is that I put in a lot of crayons for the pumpkin, and I've only put maybe like the pumpkin was pretty full, but the skull wasn't that full. But you can see they melted down a lot. So for next time, or you know, for yourself, a note to take is that you definitely want to like pack them in with crayons. Like maybe let them fill in a little bit above, and you know, just be careful, you know, set down your pan underneath with like some tin foil underneath just in case anything spills over. But you can definitely see, like, I would definitely need more crayons to get more of a shape, but I am pretty happy with how they look so far. And then I will be back when I take them out of the molds to show you the final product. So I'll be back. So that is pretty much it. That is how I managed to create these cute little crayons. I'm actually really happy with them. I think they turned out really cute. I basically waited for them to cool off completely. I think it was around like an hour. I'm sorry, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it was around an hour. But if you were to ever recreate them, just, you know, just maybe wait an hour and then see how it feels. you just want them to be completely cool before you take them out of the mold. Otherwise, it could mess them up. But it wasn't too hard in my opinion. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!